Sony's most leaked smartphone yet is here, and the Xperia One Mark VIII looks nothing like what came before. After years of keeping the same design language, Sony is finally breaking tradition in a big way. The camera block is completely different, a bold square module replacing the old pill-shaped layout. Leaked renders sourced from a case manufacturer on Weibo gave us our first confirmed look at the new design. Gone are the wide bezels and front stereo speakers. In their place, a punch-hole selfie camera and a near bezel-free display. The display aspect ratio jumps from 19.5 to 9 to a taller 21 to 9. More screen, more content, more immersion. The iconic Zeiss T-Star logo confirms Sony's continued partnership with the German optics giant for premium glass. The 3.5mm headphone jack stays on top. USB-C and the SIM slots sit at the bottom. And yes, the dedicated shutter button is back. Under the hood, expect Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Sony's most powerful processor yet. The telephoto camera gets a massive upgrade, a brand new 200-megapixel sensor designed for jaw-dropping zoom shots. 3 lenses, 1 powerful system, wide, ultra-wide, and that incredible 200-megapixel telephoto working together seamlessly. Comparing old to new, this is not a refresh. This is a full redesign, top to bottom, front to back. The Xperia One Mark VIII is expected to be officially unveiled in June 2026, assuming Sony holds to last year's schedule. The Mark VII launched at $1,499. Expect the Mark VIII to stay in that flagship price range, possibly higher with the upgrades. The square camera trend is everywhere, but Sony brings its own Zeiss-backed identity to make this design unmistakably Xperia. Built for creators, photographers, and videographers who demand the absolute best from a mobile camera system. So, 21:9 display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, 200-megapixel telephoto, Zeiss optics, and a totally new design. That's the Xperia One Mark VIII. More leaks are coming. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. See you in the